Okay, looks like we are live. So, I was recording a video on this board because I know I need to upload, and for whatever reason it was like recorded at like 12 frames a second, so I'm just going to continue. Backstory on this board, customer states that it was working, then it wasn't working, no green light on charger, 8.21 volts on PP bus, corrosion by the SMC, the whole SMC area is a little bit rusted and all torn apart. R5100 was the main hit, which is for SMC Reset L. It's the pull-up resistor. It's super important, so we can't really go without that. Started cleaning it up. I went to check the video that I uploaded, and it was just complete trash, so we're just going to continue on this. We have to scrape away all the conformal coating, get all that rust out of there, put new solder down, and maybe run a couple wires, but this should be a good fix. So let's go ahead, go to the microscope, and we will get started on this. Display capture 2, or video capture 2. There we go. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, I already kind of started on this. So if we look at this, see how it's all rusted? So given the fact that it's all rusted like that, I want to clean all the flux off and kind of scrape away at that, because that's all no good. That was just water sitting there for a long time, and it rusts like that, and that's not good to leave on the board. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that, and then should be good to go. Travis is here, Chris is here, High Voltage is here, 1971 is here. Got a few people in here. So we're just going to clean up all the flux. So see, this is nice copper right here. And this is not so nice copper. Joe is here. Anywhere where the coating wants to just flake off is not good. So we could just remove the rust, then we'll put solder on top, and this will be good as new. These are the power on pads. They're not important, but Nate's Tech Services is here. It's like cancer. We want to get it all out. Should be a majority of it, I think. So we should be good. Then there is some junk right here. That's for the 3V42 pad. We're definitely going to need a wire there and probably here. I missed the intro. What are you working on? This is an A1466 board. A bit more rust here. So now what I'm going to do is go over this again with a Q-tip, then with my iron to clean everything up and put fresh solder to coat anywhere we might have messed with. Tim is working on a coronavirus board. That is correct. I actually have a machine here from the hotbed in Washington. Wouldn't surprise me if there was a few coronaviruses living on that one. That device may literally have coronavirus. All this is nice and coated. We'll go ahead and wick this. Again, I just want to coat it all so it's nice. How has the virus affected business? Not really. Parts, yes, but the primary income source here is going to be board repair, which has not been affected by that. So we're good. Had to turn away some LCDs and stuff. Some people didn't want. Well, then again, most people were fine with like a B grade LCD or something. Alright, so this resistor, I don't trust it. But I have enough board parts to last me at least through the end of this year. If not, some into next year, so we're good. We're good. Oh shoot, this goes under the SMC. Lovely. Okay, so this may run under the SMC. Evening, it's 3:30 a.m. here. Hopefully I'll be home by 3:30 a.m. Alright, so it looks like this resistor may actually run under the SMC, which makes me very, very sad. It's for SMC reset L, but that may be the connection from U5110 to the under the SMC. Why? No, there's still enough there. We're going to be very cautious. Yeah, screens are going to be hard to get, and they're likely going to remain hard to get. Okay, so I want to be exceedingly cautious here, because if we ruin this, we're done. Martin, why are MOSFETs hard to get? Because the majority of them here are... I think we may be okay. Let's go ahead and wick all the unnecessary stuff. I would be extremely sad if this went under the SMC. I wouldn't buy FETs from China anyway, Martin, so I don't know what's going on there. Too many fakes. And that via is trash. I don't think this is the sole connection. 5100. One side is 3v42 and one side's SMC reset. Shoot. I think there's more than one connection to the SMC, so I'm going to relocate this guy. I think I've done this before. So instead of putting that resistor here, it's going to go on the other side of the board. We're going to try this. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. If it doesn't work, I'll be very sad because I'm not going to have fun running a wire under the SMC. I'll do it, but it's not going to be fun. At all. Like, this is a tube of NC559 that was when it was still good. From 2017, when it still had that nice pine scent to it, and it was just awesome. Now they ruined it. Love the smell of that stuff. And now you've never used 559 when it was good. It sucks now compared to what it was 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Alright, so this resistor is not good. That might go direct to the SMC. Actually, maybe not. Maybe so. Yeah, that's important. So I'm just gonna put this resistor. You know what? I think I've done this before, actually. I think I've done this before. Put the resistor on that leg of the chip. Oh no, I might have to run a wire under the SMC to the SMC reset pin. That would suck. So now we got to take PP3V42, which is this end pin. I don't know if this is going to work. Like I said, the trace to the SMC may be bad, and if that's the case, I want to scream. I would think that there's that via I would think there's more than one via going to the SMC though. Whatever. We'll just conformal coat you in a minute. Okay, that's connected. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Fan spin? Fan spin? Let's connect to DCM board. Hopefully we get fan spin. I'd be very happy if we get fan spin. Fan spin, fan spin, fan spin, fan spin. Fan spin! So my theory did work. It's going to spin stop. It's a 3437. And now with any luck, we should have a nice 12.58 volts on PPBus G3 hot. So here is our multimeter. Could see it kind of. No. There, you guys can hopefully kind of see that. Measure it. 8.6. Oops. Not going to tell anyone about that. I don't want to short anything. But 8.59 volts. So this is fixed. And we're good to go. So my theory did work. I was hoping that wouldn't be an issue. I was hoping that there would not be a trace under the SMC because that would really suck. So this was liquid damage, so we're going to put in the UC. And that's it for today. Conformal coat that up. Reassemble, get it back to the customer. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next stream or video. I haven't been uploading a lot lately. I've been busy. I've been focusing on business and not uploading videos, unfortunately. And it's been, frankly, slammed here. So, I mean, I was here till round 2 last night. That whole half the office was overtaken with boxes. Now it's a lot better. But yeah. So, I'll try and get some up, or at least stream. But thank you for watching, and I am out of here.